Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage your account easily. So let's get started. Open the Threads app on your device and then tap on the profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner. And once you're on this screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Now here in the settings, look for account and tap on it. And in account section, you can see we have this option of deactivate or delete profile. Click on it. The first is to deactivate your profile and the other is to delete your profile permanently. So if you choose deactivation, your profile is going to be deactivated, but your data is going to be remain intact. But remember, your profile is going to be become invisible to other users until you reactivate it. And if you want to delete your profile permanently, and remember that deleting your Threads profile is a permanent action. Once deleted, your data post profile will be permanently removed and cannot be restored. So if you want to delete your Threads account and then click on delete account, and with that your Threads account will be deleted permanently and your Instagram account will not be deleted or deactivated. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.